Gara wa no cha ba me na se na yen ma yetiefo akwa ba biomra hot 93.9 FM marching ejumadi eso. We are live on Facebook, Isaac Dakon Buama as well. And Anopai no sabi di kan catch yetiefo ese. We will be getting closer in a coded location with a year or so for Babana Owusu Ajay. Na Gabriel, once I'm gonna make a say, oh, the Kabanosu, and also for also the Kabanosu. So what's I say? 80 million. Oh, once there, Gabra, once there. Agukudro bi ewo mu no ebu sofo ewo sofo mebi wo mu enti abaya bi asoma kan se kwambere wusufo de ofo wo beja wo no eya ye ho ana ba sofo nka ho all right, so sabi work a daily guide front page and banner headline say NDC prophet threatens to kill EC boss Jane Mensah. Also for Kabra Jane for leader daily guide and man pay. You bet the home come also for Hot FM 93.9 megahertz. Yamakaba.
Mejamoso, Michiamati for so. Namiasun the incoming.
Namiasun the council. Also for Kabra Jane and Ekasai.
But your mere mini apostle of not sweetie.
Oh, yeah, this is
Minia DC.
Who join the party then?
Main joining party.
Oh, yeah, sympathize my party then.
Main sympathizing my party. I take instructions from Elohim. And my instructions now is to lead the NDC to victory. And that is what I'm doing.
And that is what Elohim has instructed you, sir. Lead NDC to victory. Also for Kabadadi.
Exactly. And that is what I am doing. NDC is for year the end. I will say it.
All right. But what threatens Selbekum, Electoral Commission chairperson, as daily guide has an apply one more editor from page.
Daily guide will be an himself, Freddie Blade. Jimmy.
Oh,
can I on second was Jimmy? Now, friends, who is CPP now call a friend MPP near the chairman. Jimmy for the war. Oh, I'm a for Brea or party man who is CPP or by I am chairman because or Yakufu are down for. Oh, said Jimmy Nekoswa Ghana. Instead of using the media space to do proper education, so near farm build their democracy, they use it to do policies. Men can't be as a Miku Jim Mensah, easy boss. Men can't baby. What I said is this: Jim Mensah, a radia being me. Number who said, oh, fat a quite be so, open some the Ghana fat quite be so. Sa now take Ghana Fasuno, and the Basa Beba, a Jabeto Ghana. And I'm a catcher, say, medium who says, Jato Ghana. Ghana for you, I be able to say, what, and I'm also because I'm paying for Ghana in there too. So, also, dear Gabriel, I can't have for the catcher, say, and as you will be the first to die, I saw it. And have I threatened her?
So, also for evidence, we're here, shall I say, Jim Mensah, Gabia Sacha, about Kufado, and as of now, as you mentioned yesterday, that you keep reiterating. So, I'm moving up a Kushiaka and said, this is what she should do, and I want you.
Look, it's not news. Second is the point in the station. So, HSS Charlotte say, or Yashawuni, or the Tona Cote power, now Yaba Umbe Charlotte say. Oh, it was all part of the agenda. John buy an open go for the church or let time yesterday, then no miss Charlotte Fio, and no darling girl, Abaho. Until when I call her a silly girl, me, baby, I'm if you're a girl and you're silly, you are called a silly girl. If she's a silly girl, that's why she's doing silly things. And I tell you, say, Jim Mensah, you are doing silly. You are being a silly girl. Stop those silly things. Let do what is right. Say the bear Ghana, you better into my pay for. What's my did nothing?
But
she
can sue you for calling.
So let her go to court and sue me for calling her silly.
Silly as in say Electoral Commission no would be anymore. So be new voter register. That makes her silly.
That doesn't make it silly. But you see, it is an agenda. Let me tell you something. You see, they keep referring to say NDC for access to data. No? Until this time, what they want to do is control the register and make sure their people are more on the register than those of the NDC. The agenda is that they want to make sure NDC loses about 2 elections so that NDC can be turned into a CPP kind of thing. So they become powerless. It is a kind of if you want the richest man in Ghana, go to Furiata. You know,
this is the finance minister. So
no, I'm not talking finance. Okay. Me say the richest person in Ghana. The Ortega Nesika, so your friend Furiata.
Analysis ben there's some ben
Chroma Bank, Chroma Insurance, Sika business, everything that has got to do with Ghana money, it goes to Furiata and the group, their company. Data Bank and Co. They are controlling Ghana's finances today, whether you like it or not.
Wow.
It is the truth.
I'm not aware.
Well, I'm telling you, go and find out. Go and dig. You see that what I'm saying is the truth. So, you know, when I tell Jimesa what you're doing is silly, stop it. Because I know, so I'm be on can say two Charlotte say no me tuna. No man can say NDC for they'll make sure they'll lose 2 elections in a row and become like CPP. We've had majority leader or since I election raise area, NDC will never come to power again. It is an agenda. So I say now agenda is now or Babisia. Ope say udi enimu now di jack to Ghana. Because when people are disenfranchised, do you know what is going to bring in this nation? Nobody's going to sit down for you to disenfranchise him or her. It's a jack, and a Baba Ghana. So what I say, you can't allow this. We're a small nucleus family. So my dream Bonnie Kuta Muntino, I dream Papa Bia Muntino. Debbie Amosoria and I can in Japan. Or no, I am no Aquabia Mamo. And then he does your spinning, he does your dirty work. Hey, I come let me tell you. Maybe see if you are so correct. So what I say, a Jimmy for it is already me.
Oh no!
No! I take responsibility. I said I take responsibility for it. Me say I take responsibility for it.
Sir,
I said I take responsibility for it.
He is a member of parliament.
So what? He's an idiot of a member of parliament.
No.
He is an idiot of a member of parliament.
Japan.
Oh, dear Japan, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Asin, Asin Central MP, who calls himself Honorable King in Japan. Who the hell does he think he is? No, Fuso to me. You're bet me snap net 2. Out of that CID boss, out of that IDP. Go and arrest this, go and arrest this, go and arrest that. Or no, has he been arrested for the role he played in JB Dankwa's death? Has Kenya Japan been arrested? Me say, I'm appealing to the American embassy. I'm for lie detector test in this year. I'm throwing the challenge to you. Also, here more reading. I need a lie detector test. Now you know cameras die so. You sure who is talking the truth. Let me tell you something. This Kenya Japan. When Asante for no planning here, so mo Kobi ejinem amananato. Na omakoyo mo nyan komade no. Now, be who are changing. And not changing the 1 year boy. Oh, this is May. 2015. Yes. And Ochehe which is Nana to Mane, Ninia. Okoyeno, he was not accepted. And also JB Dankwebi or Tafo or filling station open and was simple. But on the Koyeno, the blood line need JB Dankwa, it doesn't agree. But they wanted the JB Dankwa. Into this honorable JB Dankwa Juno, or no fee. JB Dankwa, the doyen, or finish Choto Mucho, or the grand niece or something like that. It's to pay the Apega people, no? Because, like I said, and I've always said, the chief of Apega, Ofreta Wuyan no Kuno, and the Kukuakunan, so I say, Omo, the same, and Apega for so a bomutia, some Sumuya, either. Until they had to go and pay the Apega people, eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. But JB Dankwa was responsible until only JB Dankwa. And so they had this JB Dankwa and they killed him. And you know something? When he died, according to this boy who is in jail, why tape or say Kenya Japan is the sexy don't. Or say Kenya Japan was the first person he called Captain said Jumano Biden. Let me tell you something. He called Kenya Japan. Said Jumano Biden. Now, when the accident happened, Watchman security said they didn't know. On Yana Hotel for the police were by 2 policemen came from East Legon. Then a relative also brought 2 policemen from somewhere when she was called to come in. There were 4 policemen there. Then DCOP Dampare also came in.
The CID boss.
Well, yeah, I think Greater Accra was yes, yeah.
No, yeah,
okay, Dampare, yeah.
Okay.
No, Greater Accra something. Yeah. Anyway, now listen to me very carefully. When this thing, where was I? Dampare came in. Said no, when the boy came in the pond. JB Dankwa no pana yekuno, which was about 2:33 a.m. And James now honorable Adie Amanie, because he's the last person. Everyone, you are not a family member. Or say Nana Adu Dankwa Kufuado, and they say Omra Meshe, Asemesi was said no more money. Those were his words. And at DCOP Dampari, I walk on out, a higher crime scene, a higher parliament, and he was walked out. He came and sat on his air, net two, and told the whole world, say, police need be, and a friend and a party are same way they see. It told him, let me tell you, you are a good spin doctor, but you picked the wrong address. My name is not Obini. My name is Kwabena Owusu Ejeyi. Me kame nana adaka. Me nana sofu mame kino dina efua jebua ya na adaka wo muzama. Sesi amika se. Me kana mena kene Japan. He? Enra, ote wono, ose CID for by the midjan here.
Yes.
Where did I run away?
Before.
Where did I run away?
Where did I run away? Before we go there, sir. Because someone can say CID for by one of the way planning, CID for the BNI for national security, no company, I didn't run away planning. Metasals want to know if you company. But I am in a coded location with you as we speak. Hot 93.9 FM marching and each media. The beginning of Amanda Isaac. I'm here this morning with Awal Said Mohammed Nagagan Twan lady or Hidden Wakas Buahin. And I'm many of me and Sana Kabana Wusu, Kofi Amare, and the Cephas, and DJ Kobinuso, Air Studio way back in Accra. Jamestown, a year Afro Towers. Now, yeah, so you will code that location of a you know, so for Kabana J. Aiding Como. Or say, Kennedy Japan should shut up.
He should shut his big, ugly, fat mouth. It stinks. Eh? Let me tell you something.
Because of the role he played in Jamie Duncan's death.
Not only the role, he is the Spain doctor in MPP. Assembly Asia, no Makofano, no Abetrao, no. Obini Mishu is just to divert attention. Okay?
Good morning,
yes, good morning.
You're from National Security. We have warrant to arrest you.
Okay.
On the arrest.
Okay.
Oh,
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
My friend.
Don't touch me.
anyway, hot 93.9 FM marching. Please let us know. There are some people here.
Hey, how come? Hey,
A warrant from the
How?
National Security to arrest Papa, Kabana. Please.
hey. No.
Please take your time, please. We are begging you.
No.
Please take your time. Oh, please,
How come?
This is happening live. Please take your time.
Hey, how come?
Go back. No,
Hey.
No, let us also know because we are here with you.
How come, sir?
What is happening now?
Hey, no, this one there. No. Hey, how come?
And we are live here, and we have to. Yes, let us please know.
No.
We have to know if they are really from the National Security.
We have to know. No. We have to know. 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 No. We have to know. We have to know. Pick the numbers. 5666.
Yes.
5 6.
Another one.
Another car. Another car.
Residents of you get the numbers. Please, yes, you got the numbers. So the National Security has just picked the residents.
Yeah. Massa. No.
So please pick the other phone. Let us
Yes.
make a follow-up.
Yes.
We also have to follow up.
We have to go.
Okay, Yes, we started the program with you. Yeah. And all of a sudden, National Security has just banked in to pick a year. Your friend is saying, correct.
That's true. I'm also a lawyer.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm going to make sure the two courts. I will follow up the national.
Okay.
So let me please take a step out for me.
Yes. So this is what has just happened. A year also for Cabinet Day, we were in a quantum location with him. This is what has just happened right now. A year Also for Kobenaje, if you that national security man pointed a gun at me trying to stop me because I have to verify as a journalist without provocation. Exactly, we have to verify and know if truly they are from the national security.
Yes.
In order not to be held responsible, and this is what has just happened.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to tell us.
In fact,
I'm Beno.
ID card and one and down buy. But Baku actually to say, young quiet, I'm
the 3 cars. 3 VIP cars.
Yen nim baby, I'm in the car. I'm doing look, I say, maybe I'm okay. Ako, I am
a young resident. Okay. Okay. 0544. Okay.
Baby, I want to not a idea. Baby, I can't be Baha, a coin. I said, I expect the new choir move fast from Mepiamua. Menuka say, I'm uncle Astajere. Baha, you haven't seen any funny, but only be a dim from what? No more can say, a yard of the Omeka. The yard of Omeka, the dear Omedinico. Young baby Omedinico. Look at the quiet to Kana. Or Mamma, you baby, if you saw me, send for me to me, the dear Omedinico. I for my a yard of Omeka. Or Mamma, let me up any lawyer. Almost say, and friend lawyer, Minocasi, Omedi Peniniqua. Let's come to the national security. You could again. The ID card, Omu national security, and I buy it. Minocasi, move for her. The Sandra Minocasi Penino, and idea Omedi. Yeah, but maybe I interview just a look at high education.
Okay, so we are live on Facebook, and where we are currently is a coded location. As we said earlier, we are not going to disclose the location to anyone because for national security reasons. Yes,
No.
You move from there. You and Mama Gaga move from the Bia Moses Piano.
Okay. I saw the amount.
No.
Barbara, me no say the idea you feel what me dey any ache direction aka ne fire no o ho na dey any ache sisi a ye hwe because ebusafo na worried no mo chese mo ni mebi a omo di hye na ye den eko omo nim baby omo di omo de hye na de eko nti omo so aye worried that omo so aye de e person omo nya car na omo de fi ha na omo de aye de omo do omo ni ache baby aka ne ko bia ni baby omo de ne ko so omo de ne ko hia na so omo de ne ko he ya ade aye timi hu baby a omo de panini e de eko nanso ebushafo no so aye bobo omo se me no ka se omo tuka omo ye se senka bia na ifo no betimi na national security for betimi we na betimi mama come na meet you.
Yeah, woman, national security for everyone. I'm beside them. I'm not Kasai.
No one actually asked me anything. Obi and Samhe. They only got the we thoughts now about also for Kabra Jakata say. Obi Ababa no Mababa Kaho, show no ho. So we thought So we thought that person was going to be the panel by I'm not here the panel Baba joining. But it was unfortunate. 2 men, court warrant from the court. I said some mamachi a year also for Kabana AJ 80. They just banked in and arrested a year also for Kabana AJ. As we speak, Yeguso our the residence of a year also for Kabana AJ. We will not say his residence, but we will say we are in a coded location. We are in a coded location. Come on, let's go. We are in a coded location. That is where we are currently, and as we speak, we have to some of the residents, but some of the sir, one money, so Ebekasa and hot 93.9 of and so I want to be not organize Obiasi and Yadia Obetimno and Wakasana. So Omu see and was some day. I'm not the Panibu. I want to say, baby, I say, no better better than you, baby. I say, Obiano, a idea amount for it, a judge any idea, a cost. Now, so Momo Chester, and Yadio be ready so bad, Obekasana, Mama Trenia, a sea, and Nomuye, and Braka and buy almost see from Nomuye. Yadio be ready so Obekasana. I took us some Minoka. Yeah, caught baby, I can't direction. I can't hear it. If I near her, say, one chick when I say, baby, sir. Minoka said, yeah, it was upon so it's me, baby, on what this channel, and walk on one baby, on me, on Minoka, say, Guswa, yeah, Yadimika, yeah, Conti, Penny, idea, being a that's a great Friday. I be found quite young, baby, I'm the sister said, oh, my be found quite young, Cassan and Chop for quite a day interview, or me and Chevy, be potty, or the penny, Minoka. V8 Bakumi and San and Baku, Menuya black and a Bakuya ash, I'm a Bakuya asha, a Befa Penini, I send a decandid to Jano, Yade Namana to Jada, Cast never Penino, Yedicandi Namana, the Atu Jada, Menocasi, Yagusua, if he hire, I was a phone I worried, on which I sent Kabi Compa, on my commodiciano and friend and lawyer, and so national security for no, I'm penny, my one friend and lawyer, Menocasi, on my Befa Penini, in fact, I ain't send me Bra Gusua, I'm here. Maybe it's me and she baby because the next way I ever said be a young person or my friend I said and try if you was here I didn't actually baby I have 1 person you bet be pottia some read and yeah continue if you I am console I have number yeah the kind first near baby I can't find set you bet I hope come on I say the traffic big crowd you be home until 50 you nam console and yeah.
Right, what do you mean?
Metal come Cobra.
Good. Quickly, move free area honum.
Barbara,
follow up to baby and not car no air corner.
Barbara, me no can say you fit area more.
You better get back to you guys. Now, you didn't come any information you are going to be my I don't really know. Say now, I'm not the name back Blue Gate. I'm not the name called BNI. Police headquarters. We don't know. So, yeah, move follow up. Now, move through the we are getting calls here. And yes, now, baby, I'm one. Move through, move stopping all the interviews. I'm more here, baby, I'm more to move through.
Pamela Sena Medi can idea you 50 you did near direction a car no fire no Sebetuomo and as a senator and 50 you damn quanso a year for direction a car no cast no fire and would depend on direction and if I say Pia you be home and also you could say you be a money no quality you did I call you here maybe I'm depending on all right so Cabana said okay
We are following up to the National Security and Secretariat Home Office, where are the baby house, the National Security Minister, to make inquiries and find out where actually you also for Kabana J. Wamadino Aquafa. So, you face animal. What be your car? We are also law. What are your lawyer? It's to Kabana Somo.
Well, hot 93.9, 59 minutes after 8.